angle of measure 147 degree and construct its bisector. So first of all we have to draw an angle of 147 degree and we have to bisect the angles. So let us draw a figure along with steps of construction. Solution. Steps of construction. Draw any ray OA. So students, first of all let us draw any ray OA. So students, let us draw ray OA. So this is ray, let us label OA. Now let us see next step. With the help of protractor, construct angle AOB equals to 147 degree. So here we have to construct 147 degree with the help of protractor. So let us put our center of protractor on O and then 147 is marked over here. Now we have to join this marking point with O and it is said angle AOB we have to take as B. Angle AOB is 147 degree. Now let us see next step. Taking center O and any convenient radius, draw an arc which intersect the arms of OA and OB at P and Q respectively. So here we have to take center as O. Let us take any convenient radius with the center and let us draw an arc. How? Such that it cuts the arm OA and OB. So this is our arc. This arc cuts at OA and OB. What we have to label it as P and Q. So we have labeled this as P and Q. Next step. Taking P as a center and radius more than half of PQ, draw an arc. So students, let us take P as a center and radius more than half of PQ. This means we are drawing bisecting angle. So students, first of all let us take distance of PQ. So this is distance of PQ. Let us take more than half radius. Now taking P as a center, let us draw one arc. Taking Q as a center, let us draw another arc. Now students, let us see next step. We have drawn next step. Taking Q as center and with the same radius, draw another arc which intersect the previous arc at R. So this arc is intersect at R. So this intersecting arc we have to label as R. Step number F. Join OR and produce it. Thus, line segment OR is the required bisector of angle AOB. So here, what we have to do in this step? We have to join OR. So let us join this OR. And thus, OR, line segment OR is the required bisector of angle AOB.